Here's another one of these window openings, but now I've actually got the frame in. Mentioned before, this is actually the Cortizo Core Vision Plus sliding door system that we're using. And underneath my protection tape here, you can see it's got all these different rollers the sliding door rolls on. So it is pretty good in the sense that it distributes the load across a number of different rollers. Let's get into this though. So what I've done is got these fixings, these little clips that go on the back of the window. So it keeps that fixing on the warm side. And then we bent this across just because I don't have an opening that's flush with the frame because I've got my insulation here. So just bend that by hand, screw that in. Done the same sort of thing for the header. Comes across there. I've kind of pinned a timber at the top there, then the insulation, then folded that up and screwed the fixing into the timber head at 450 spacing. And then had a little bit of a tricky detail where I needed my Centaur fly screens hard up against this area, and I only had just enough room. So in that, I've flipped to fixing screws right through the frame, packing it and into the actual concrete behind. And then because my cladding actually builds all the way in here, so you just see glass. So that way I'll come back along later and actually weather seal with the Tescon Explorer from this point here, bridging across that and onto the Dincel wall. That'll be my weather seal. Then I'll come in the back, spray foam any of those remaining gaps because you couldn't quite put the insulation all the way, otherwise you ended up with too much, it's too hard to install the windows if you get that insulation perfect, because you need space for your clips, all sorts of things. So, and for my air seal, same sort of thing as after I've spray foamed here. I'll air seal tape. So my plasterboard actually covers this, so that's why I've gone here and air sealed. I'll be able to tape seal from here back because the plasterboard will be covering that. Same sort of thing here. My flooring actually gets built up, and this is all flush with the floor, and so I'm able to tape seal here up to the edge of that window frame, and then I'll have a full air seal all the way around. So just the way that the finishes work, I was able to put windows in, and then I can do all my taping later. Cool, so that's a Cortizo Core Vision Plus sliding door system installed and ready to tape seal.